Hi everyone, I'm Melissa and I'm here to give you 3 tips to hire a cleaning service that gives a shit. Yes, you did hear me correctly. You need to hire a cleaning service that cares about you, that cares about your home, that cares about your office, that cares about satisfying your needs for your business or home. Tip number 1, make sure they have insurance, they're bonded with W-2 employees and workers' compensation. Let's get real. Shit happens, and you do not want to be the person to have to pay for it. A company that cares will come at you correct with everything already in place. Tip number 2, do some research. Don't just go look online and think, oh, they have a lot of 5-star reviews, so they must be a great company. No. People ask for reviews all the time so they can look good. What you need to do is go find their current customers or some past customers and get the real reviews. Remember, satisfied customers will not leave as many reviews as an unsatisfied customer. Unsatisfied customers, they'll leave 1,000 negative reviews all over the place before a satisfied customer will leave one. That's why I said do some research. Final tip, tip number 3. Hire a cleaning service that can guarantee your satisfaction. If they don't have a guarantee to do the work and do it correctly every time, and if they don't, they're going to give you something, then you need to chunk deuces. Run really, really fast. A cleaning service should be able to guarantee their work and guarantee you that they're going to come out, they're going to do what they say they're going to do, and they're going to continue doing it at the level that they originally promised. And if they don't, you need to get away from them. If you have a cleaning service right now that's not doing what they're supposed to be doing, why are you still paying them? Fire their asses. You deserve a company that gives a shit and that's going to do the correct work. You should go home or to your business and it should be done the way that you want it to be. Thanks for checking out my tips. Go out there and find a cleaning company that adds value to your life and doesn't just take your money and run with it.